When it comes to premium vacuum cleaners, Dyson is a name that stands out. This Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner promises powerful suction, versatile cleaning, and a range of features tailored for homes with pets. This review delves into the key aspects of this vacuum cleaner, assessing its performance, design, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your home. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal boasts a sleek, modern design with the brand's signature aesthetics. It's lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it easy to maneuver around your home. The build quality is robust, as expected from Dyson, ensuring durability and long-term use. The vacuum is engineered to handle both carpets and hard floors with equal efficiency, making it a versatile cleaning tool. One of the standout features of the V10 Animal is its powerful suction. With a maximum suction power of 151 AW in boost mode, it's designed to handle even the toughest cleaning tasks. The vacuum offers 3 cleaning modes. 1. Eco mode for extended runtime and lighter tasks. 2. Auto mode for balanced cleaning power and runtime. 3. Boost mode for intensive cleaning needs. These modes allow you to customize the suction power based on the surface and the level of dirt, ensuring efficient cleaning without wasting battery power. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal provides up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge, which is a significant improvement over previous models like the V8. The battery-saving trigger ensures that power is only used when the vacuum is actively cleaning, maximizing energy efficiency. With a charge time of 3–5 hours, the vacuum is ready to tackle your cleaning needs with minimal downtime. Pet owners will appreciate the V10 Animal's specialized features for dealing with pet hair and dander. The detangling motor bar cleaner head is designed to deep clean carpets and hard floors, efficiently removing long hair and pet hair from the brush bar. The hair screw tool further enhances its capability, making it easy to remove pet hair from upholstery and tight spaces with its anti-tangle conical brush bar. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal excels in versatility. It easily converts to a handheld vacuum, perfect for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. The package includes 4 Dyson-engineered tools, each designed to tackle different cleaning tasks around your home. Whether you need to clean high shelves, tight corners, or delicate surfaces, this vacuum provides the right tool for the job. Health-conscious consumers will appreciate the advanced whole machine filtration system of the V10 Animal. It traps 99.99% of particles and dust as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring that the air exposed is cleaner than the air taken in. This is particularly beneficial for homes with allergy sufferers, as it helps reduce indoor allergens. The washable filter can be reused for the lifetime of the machine, reducing waste and maintenance costs. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal employs 14 cyclones arranged across 2 tiers to increase airflow and capture fine dust. This innovative design ensures that the vacuum maintains consistent suction power throughout your cleaning session, even as the dust bin fills up. This feature is crucial for ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning, especially in larger homes or during deep cleaning tasks. Maintenance is straightforward with the V10 Animal. The dust bin is easy to empty with a hygienic point and shoot system, and the washable filter means you don't have to worry about frequent replacements. Dyson offers a 2-year warranty and lifetime support, providing peace of mind and ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Pros and cons. Pros. Powerful suction with 151 AW in boost mode. 3 cleaning modes for customized cleaning. Up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge. Engineered for pet owners with specialized tools and features. Lightweight and versatile, easily converts to a handheld vacuum. Advanced filtration system traps 99.99% of particles. No loss of suction thanks to the innovative Cyclone design. 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. Cons. Price. The V10 Animal is on the higher end of the price spectrum. Battery life in boost mode is significantly shorter, though this is expected with higher suction power. Conclusion: the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a top-tier cleaning tool that combines powerful suction, advanced filtration, and versatile design. It's particularly well suited for homes with pets, thanks to its specialized tools and features for dealing with pet hair. The long runtime, efficient battery usage, and easy maintenance further enhance its appeal. While it comes with a higher price tag, the performance and convenience it offers make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a reliable, high-performance vacuum cleaner. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle everything from deep cleaning carpets to maintaining hard floors and tackling pet hair, the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal is an excellent choice. Its combination of power, versatility, and advanced technology ensures that your home stays clean and fresh with minimal effort. Transform your cleaning routine with the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal and experience the difference that advanced technology and thoughtful design can make. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.